Hello and welcome to the IoT Vlogs YouTube channel. In this video, we are diving into a super useful tool that every computer user should know about, especially if you are looking to upgrade your system, troubleshoot, or simply trying to understand what's running under the hood of your PC. First off, what exactly is CPU-Z? It's a freeware system profiler application that gathers information on some of the main hardware of your system. CPU-Z is known for its ease of use and the depth of detail it provides. CPU-Z offers more comprehensive information that often isn't available through basic system information summary tool in your operating system. Plus, it's trusted by computer enthusiasts and professionals alike for system analysis. In this video, I'll walk you through where to download CPU-Z and how to install it, and we'll navigate its various steps together to extract and understand the data about computer hardware. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only be more familiar with your computer's internal components, but also better prepared to handle upgrades and maintenance in the future. So let's get started. This is the official website to download the software. Here you can see there are some custom editions for more like these gamers, those people, but we want the regular version. So let's click here to download. Click here to download now. Our software, we can click here to directly access. The user account control is asking for permission. I'll say yes. Click on I accept. If you accept, if you read and if you accept, then you will click here. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Create a desktop icon. Okay, that's fine. And click on install. I don't want to view their README file. Click on finish. Again, user account control. Click on yes. If you agree, you will click on yes. And then it is basically detecting what kind of system we are using. So why this is useful? So for example, you just planning to upgrade your computer's, what is that called? The cooling module. You want to use liquid cooler, right? So in those cases, instead of just diving through like tons of pages, like what kind of chipset, what kind of motherboard you're using, what you can do is just open this software. You can actually see that it's LGA 1200, right? So this kind of stuff. There are other informations about like the voltage. I believe this one, the memory, speed and those stuffs. These are more for people who can actually work on their computer and upgrade. And also if you like to see your clock speed, like if you wanna overclock and those stuffs, these are really important stuff. You can actually see like how many cores has, like how many core, and the motherboard is the manufacturer. This is the RAM, like how many total RAM you have. So for example, if I inserted 2 sticks, you can actually check, like double check if 2 8 GB sticks are actually detected by the operating system or not. In my case, it's just single bank is being used, so one 16 gig stick. And there are like other options you can see to actually, and also what kind of graphics we are using. We can see that we have 2 graphics card, their performance, their TDP, how much power they're drawing. And you can also run some kind of benchmark, I believe, single thread, multi-thread. And the last but not least is about. You can actually export this kind of reports, and using other automation tools, you can actually extract data. I believe this will be, okay, let me save on the desktop. Click on save. So from graphics 1660, okay. So once you open this kind of software, you can actually log your system information. Let's say you are working on a computer and you like to keep all the configurations in one place. You can do that. It will like how many cores, like core 0 is the first one, core 7 is the last core. And you can use like, let's say Control F, 1660. you can see we can, okay, let me find that again, 1660. So there's only one entry here. So over here you can see that different thermal limits is displayed, like what kind of technology they have, the bandwidth. So there are like tools, like if you know like how to extract this data and actually send into some kind of database, like in those cases you can write code to actually read this file and extract some of the data. These are like really advanced stuffs, but you can definitely do it if you need to. Okay, so this is like more like a log file. There's like so many stuffs in that file. So this is how CPU-Z works. Most probably you will be on this first page and actually see like what model of the CPU you have. So let's say if you have i7-1070, this model processor, and there's a newer model. So if you Google, like there are some online websites where you can enter your current model number and the one you want to upgrade. So you can actually see how much performance you can gain from those kind of upgrades. So so that is one way you can utilize. There are like many ways you can utilize this software. It's really informative tool. Hope you have liked this video. That's all for now. Thanks for your time, attention, and patience. Thank you.